Well, hello you guys, good morning. It is about 7 o'clock in the morning right now, maybe 7:30, and it's almost 70 degrees already. It is a very beautiful morning, but we're out here at the hive because I want to see if the queen is still alive, moving around, if they're feeding her, if she's been released or whatever. Now, I was going to give it about a week, but I was watching some videos and they said that, in most cases, sometimes if it is a good strong colony, they can release the queen by day 4, and I got these Wednesday. So it's been about 3 to 4 days, but also it took these bees about 3 weeks to get here, and I don't think they can live super long without a queen. And we need some baby bees. We need a queen. So want to make sure she's still alive and still going, just in case for some reason I do need to buy a new queen. We can get her as fast as possible. So if she's not released, not really a big deal. If she's moving around and she's alive, that's all we need to know. So we're gonna make this pretty quick. Again, it's pretty nice this morning. The bees are already up and active. I see some out over here on the side where the entrance is. So I'm gonna take these plants off and then I'll bring you guys over and we'll open this up together. All right, let's go ahead and open this one up. I did add an extra box because I added a mason jar of some sugar water, which it looks like they are drinking. Only a couple bees on here, about 3 bees. All right, and I do feel bad because every time I shut this, I end up squishing a couple bees, and I don't like that. That's very upsetting to me. But let's go ahead and take this next box off. All right, here's our mason jar of sugar water, which again, it looks like they have been drinking. Oh, look at them. We got some bees on there. Say hi, girls. I'm pretty sure these are all ladies. I don't know how to tell the drones and the worker bees and the foragers and the nurses, all that. I'm trying to figure it out. It's a little confusing. I don't have a mentor that's like close to me at all. So I don't have anybody to really learn from, which is kind of unfortunate, which is why I'm relying a lot on videos. All right, let me not talk because I know they don't like breath, so I hear. Look at this lady. All right, they're all right here. So I think that's where I'd put the queen. Get off me, thank you. All right, let's see. I should have probably brought a hive tool out, but it hasn't been that long, so we shouldn't have that much comb. Oh, wow, bees are a little heavy. How's it going? Wow, oh my gosh, look at that, you guys. We already have a piece of honeycomb, or not honey, but like a piece of comb. Look at that. All right, girls, getting to work. All right, so we're gonna set this down right here real quick. All right. And the queen looks like she's right down there, but I need to have some room to actually get to it. Okay. Wow, they are really getting to work. Can you guys see where they're building it? That is so amazing to see. Oh my gosh, it's nothing like the videos. The videos don't do justice compared to seeing this stuff in real life, I'm telling you. Okay, coming in hot, girls. I just want to see if your mom, maybe this is your mom. Oh, it looks like we've got an open plug. They are going in and out. All right, well, the queen's not in there. And I don't know. Oh wait, hold on. There are some bees in here though. Maybe we should sit that right there. Let's see if we can actually find the queen, I guess, if she's not in there. Wow. Okay, this is cool. We have a free queen, you guys. I guess the videos were right. All right, mama, where are you at? I've seen plenty of videos to know what to look for with a queen, but it's the actual doing it yourself, and finding her for that very first time. All right, let's see. I'm not seeing her on this. All right. All right, let's get the next frame. All right. We got a big buzzer over here going off. All right, Mama, where you at? She's got to be on this one. I think this has the most out of them all. Wow, yeah, the comb is really big on this one. They are really working on this one a lot. Maybe I should give this a couple more days just to see, so they're not all stuck on just one comb and they actually have some more built out maybe. But it looks like, I mean, she's not in there. So it looks like Miss Queen has been set free. I don't know, you guys. Should I make it a point to actually look and find her? Look at that. All those bees. Oh my gosh. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put this back. All right. Just had one pounce at my veil, so yeah, they're not happy right now. Let's go ahead and get this queen cage. And just double check that she's not in there. Oh yeah, see, I had one try to sting me in my glove. Yeah, they're not happy right now. All right, we're just gonna put this back, okay? Sorry, everybody. Oh yeah, the queen is in there. All right, I see her. She is still in there, but there's also a lot of bees in there with her. So it looks like they have already gotten her out. All right, maybe I should, let's just put it back. All right, put it back down in there. Ladies, go let your mama free, okay? All right, hold on, wait. Which side did y'all eat out? Y'all ate out of this side. Okay, we'll just put it in sideways like that. Okay, perfect. All right, just put that back on. Put that back on. We will leave them be, and we will come back later. Well, it looks like I got my first sting, but not actually on me. It was actually on the glove. So that's great, but I also heard that when you use these type of gloves, that when they sting, there's a pheromone that stays in the glove, so it's not good to really use leather gloves. Also, I still haven't been stung yet personally since I was about 7 or 8 years old, so I'm kind of scared to experience that first sting. But it looks like the queen has been set free even though she is still in that cage. I guess it'll be a little bit of time before she starts walking out and getting her stuff on. But they are building comb, everything looks fine, they look healthy. I'm not gonna open it anymore for about another week or so, give them some time, and then now that we know she's alive, she's set free, there's no need to worry. But awesome, you guys, this is so fun. I've really been enjoying this. I've come out every day so far, even though it's been like 3 or 4 days. Came out every day just to check on them, make sure everything's going well. And yeah, we got our first sting, even though it wasn't on me, it was on the glove. But I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.